Good morning to all. In today's video, we will discuss the definition of image, the two types of image, and how the image is formed by a plane mirror, and the characteristics of the image which is formed. Is that clear? So first of all, let us discuss what is image or how the image is formed or when the image is formed. We have already discussed the concept of reflection, okay, and we have studied that when an incident ray fall on any surface, it gets reflected back into the same medium, okay. So it's not only limited to one ray, okay, there are number of rays falling on it and they are getting reflected. Is that clear? So when the image is formed, when the light gets reflected, when number of reflected light meets each other at a point, then at this point the image of an object is formed. The image of an object is formed. So we can say that image is defined as a optical view of any object, and it is formed at a point where two rays after reflection meet each other. Is that clear? Now the types of image. So we have already studied that image is formed when two or more reflected rays meet each other. Is that clear? Now the types of image, they can be either the real or the virtual. Okay, now we will study what are real images and what are virtual images. So now let us have a figure or a ray diagram to understand the concept of real and virtual image. So this is the figure in which virtual and real image is shown by a ray diagram. Okay, now first let us discuss of virtual image. Let us consider this is a plane mirror, okay, and a boy is standing and we consider this boy as an object. Okay, now first of all let us consider this topmost as the head of a boy. Now there are two conditions we will study later on. That first condition is that if a light is falling on a normal, अगर कोई लाइट नॉर्मल पे ही जाके गिरती है या 90 डिग्री पे किसी सरफेस पे आके गिरती है, सो वो रिफ्लेक्शन भी उसी पाथ में होता है. रिफ्लेक्शन takes place in the same path at which the incident ray falls. तो पहली लाइट ये 90 डिग्री पे गिरी तो इसका रिफ्लेक्शन भी इसी के पाथ में हो गया. दूसरी लाइट ये पर्टिकुलर एंगल बना रही है नॉर्मल से. सो आपको पता है कि एंगल मेड बाय द इंसिडेंट रे will always be equal to the reflected ray. So reflected ray will also make the same angle with normal. Is that clear? Now what we did, we extended the two. This was first reflected ray, this is the second reflected ray, this is the second reflected ray. Now you can see there was one arrow like this and the other arrow like this. So this is the second reflected ray. When we are extending these two rays just to make it to meet somewhere, we see that this extended rays are meeting just behind the mirror, and thus the image is formed behind the mirror. So we can say virtual images are those images which are formed behind the mirror, and when we extend the rays back, लाइक अभी यहाँ जो आप देख रहे हैं, आप खुद इसको एक्सटेंड कर रहे हैं मीट कराने के लिए. ये रिफ्लेक्टेड रेज एक्चुअल में मीट नहीं हो रही है, बट इट सीम्स, आपको ऐसा, ये आपका परसेप्शन है जो आपको ऐसा लग रहा है कि इट एक्चुअली मीट्स. Okay, and the point where it is meeting forms a virtual image. And now you can see the virtual image is vertically upright. If the head of the boy is here at the top, in this case also the head of a boy is at the top. Now the best example can be from a plane mirror. The image which we use daily just to see our face is an example of virtual image. Is that clear? Now the second, let us discuss for real image. Real image is mainly formed in spherical mirrors. Spherical mirrors means which do not have a plane or a smooth reflecting surface. The surface is somehow curved. Like this. So let us take this concave mirror. Concave mirror is one of the type from the spherical mirror. And now let us consider this is the object. Again following the same rule, if this is the light ray falling, ये जो मैंने आपको रूल बताया था कि नॉर्मल पे गिर रहा है उसी में वापस रिफ्लेक्ट हो जा रहा है, this is only in case of plane mirror. But in spherical, if this is a ray falling, so there it will be the normal and then again it will be reflected back. कुछ कंडीशंस हैं कॉन्केव मिरर में. पहला क्या होता है कि अगर कोई ये इसका क्या है, ये पैरेलल एक्सिस है, ये जो लाइन आपके सेंटर से स्फेरिकल मिरर के सेंटर से पास हो रही है, दिस इज नोन एज principal axis. So the first rule is if any light is parallel to principal axis after reflection it will pass through focus. यहाँ पे एक पॉइंट होता है प्रिंसिपल एक्सिस पे जिसे आप कहते हैं फोकस. तो पहला क्या है कि अगर कोई लाइट पैरेलल है, ये पैरेलल है प्रिंसिपल एक्सिस के, तो ये फोकस से पास होगी. दूसरी, अगर कोई लाइन फोकस से निकल रही है तो वो पैरेलल हो जाएगी प्रिंसिपल एक्सिस के. यहाँ पे ये एक लाइट रिफ्लेक्टेड हो रही है, ये दूसरी लाइट रिफ्लेक्टेड हो रही है, और जिस पॉइंट पे ये मिल रही है दैट इज the point of image. Now you can see the image, the object was like this but the image is like this. Okay, so we can say that virtual image is always vertically upright. अगर ये ऊपर A है नीचे B है तो इमेज भी उसका A और B ही बनेगा. बट रियल इमेज इज ऑलवेज इन्वर्टेड एंड इट इज फॉर्म्ड इन फ्रंट ऑफ द मिरर. देखिए इन फ्रंट ऑफ द मिरर ही बन रहा है ना, मिरर के पीछे तो नहीं बन रहा है, मिरर के आगे बन रहा है. सो द रियल इमेज इज फॉर्म्ड इन फ्रंट ऑफ मिरर एंड इज ऑलवेज inverted. If the object is like this, the image will be formed inverted. Is that clear? So this was all about virtual and real image. Let us go and discuss the different type of images point wise. So first of all, let us discuss about virtual image. What are virtual images? The very first point, these images are formed when two reflected rays appears to meet. Appears means it's our perception. They are not actually meeting, but they appears to meet each other, but actually they are not. The second is these images are formed behind the mirror. This was the plane mirror. Okay, we consider this as a plane mirror, and this was the front portion, this was the back portion, and the virtual image was formed behind the mirror. These images are always erect and upright. If the object was upside A and downside B, the image was also upside A and downside B. Now the last is the image formed by a plane mirror are always virtual. That is only virtual and erect. Virtual means behind the mirror and erect means upright. Now real image. These images are formed when two reflected rays actually meet. Now in case of concave, what we said ki this was the actual reflected ray, this was also the actual reflected ray. We do not extended it. हमने इसको extend नहीं किया, ये actual में ही meet हो रही थी. But plane mirror में हमने reflected rays को पीछे की तरफ extend करके meet कराया था. तो in this case the reflected rays are actually meeting. The next is the image formed in front of the mirror. So this was the front portion, the image was formed this side. This image is always inverted. The object was like this A and B, but the image is A and B. Is that clear? So this is inverted. And the last is the image formed by spherical. The images, that is the real images are never formed in case of plane mirror. Plane mirror के केस में कभी भी real image नहीं बनती है. Real image हमेशा concave mirror के ही केस में बनेगी. Now formation of image by a plane mirror, that is हमने ये पढ़ा था कि जो image बन रही है virtual वाली वो plane mirror के केस में हो रही है. So अब हम ये पढ़ेंगे कि किस तरीके से image बनती है. उसके लिए हमने क्या दो rules जो निकाले हैं. वो पहला ये है, the angle at which incident ray falls on the plane mirror will be equal to that made by reflected ray. Is that clear? This was the law of reflection that we need to follow. And the next is the ray falling normally on a mirror. Normally means the एंगल मेड बाय इंसिडेंट एंड नॉर्मल इज ज़ीरो. नॉर्मल ये ऐसे 90 डिग्री पे बनता है. अगर इसी पे एक इंसिडेंट रे आ रही है, इसका मतलब दोनों के बीच में क्या एंगल है, ज़ीरो है. सो रिफ्लेक्शन भी इसी पाथ पे हो जाएगा एंड इट विल गेट अनडेविएटेड. नाउ दिस इज द रे डायग्राम. दिस वी कंसीडर्ड एज अ प्लेन मिरर. This we considered as a plane mirror. This is the front portion and this is the back portion. Here we kept P. ये P एक अल्फ़ाबेट है. अब आप देखो जितने भी नंबर ऑफ लाइंस ऐसे पढ़ेंगे नॉर्मल, वो इसी में रिफ्लेक्टेड हो जाएंगे. इज़ दैट क्लियर? नाउ अभी देखिए ये पहला वाला नॉर्मल गिर रहा था, इसी पे वापस भी हो गया. दूसरा वाला नॉर्मल गिर रहा था, वापस हो गया. ऐसे सारे जो नॉर्मल गिर रहे थे वो वापस हो गए. अभी जो एंगल बना के गिर रहे हैं, देखिए ये एक एंगल बना के गिर रहा है तो ये ऐसे वापस हुआ. दिस इज ये ऐसे, दिस इज ऐसे. ठीक है, तो ये जो देयर आर 3 रिफ्लेक्टेड वंस जो नॉर्मल गिरे हैं एंड 3 रिफ्लेक्टेड वंस जो किसी एंगल पे गिरे हैं. अब आपने सबको एक्सटेंड कर लिया. देखिए आपने इस वाले को वापस एक्सटेंड कर लिया, ये दूसरा हो गया और ये तीसरा हो गया. इन तीनों को कर लिया आपने जो नॉर्मल गिरे थे. अब आप एंगल वाले पे कर रहे हो, ये पहला है, ये इधर हो गया, ये इधर हो गया, ये इधर हो गया. So they all are meeting somewhere at a point, and the point where they are meeting, the image of this particular object is formed. So here this P is formed as this. Okay, this is behind the mirror. So what we studied from here कि ये जो plane mirror है ये इस तरीके से एक image बना रहा है जो image behind the mirror बन रही है, and we have already studied that the image which is formed behind the mirror is virtual image, and virtual image is always upright, वो सीधे ही बनेगी. देखिए ये ऊपर है ना curved part, ये ऊपर है curved part, this is not inverted one. Now but अभी प्रॉब्लम क्या आया, देखिए इट वॉज द लेफ्ट पार्ट ऑफ दिस, अभी लेफ्ट पार्ट ये था, राइट पार्ट ये था. अभी जो इमेज बना उसका राइट पार्ट इधर आ गया, ये लेफ्ट पार्ट हो गया. सो अभी क्या हो गया, जो साइड्स हो गए वो ट्रांसफॉर्म्ड हो गए ना, वो इन्वर्ट हो गए. लेफ्ट पार्ट बिकम्स राइट एंड राइट पार्ट बिकम लेफ्ट. सो द फिनोमिना इन विच द लेफ्ट पार्ट ऑफ द ऑब्जेक्ट बिकम्स द राइट पार्ट ऑफ द इमेज and the right part of the object becomes the left part of the image, that particular phenomena is known as lateral inversion. Therefore the image formed in case of plane mirror is always laterally inverted. The left part of the object will become the right part of the image, and the right part of the object will become the left part of the image. Is that clear? Now let us discuss some of the characteristics of the image formed by a plane mirror. The first characteristic is the image formed is virtual and erect. P was like this and this is formed like this, so it is virtual and erect. The image formed is laterally inverted, left becomes right and right becomes left, therefore it undergoes the phenomena of lateral inversion. Third is the image formed is of the same size का ही आपका image बनेगा. If P is of this particular height, this will be of particular height. The size is not going to vary. And the last is the image formed is at the same distance as that of the object from the mirror. Now if the object is at a distance of 10 centimeter from the mirror, plane mirror, then the image will also be formed at a distance of 10 centimeter. The distance of object and mirror from the object and image from the mirror will be same. Okay, so the size will be same, the distance from the mirror will be same, the image will be laterally inverted, and the image will be virtual and erect. Okay, now just try to relate this video from the book material. Thank you.